We get it. Cleaning services are expensive, and finding the right partner can be a challenge. But what if we told you that the benefits of a clean workplace far outweigh the costs involved? That's right, cleaning is essential. Let's find out why. Hi, I'm Andrea Gomes, and I'm the Marketing Director here at OctoClean. Thanks for visiting our channel. If you're new, welcome. Today we're going to be talking about 3 major benefits of a clean workplace. Let's get started. So the first and most important benefit of a clean workplace is a decrease in absenteeism. Germs and illness spread a lot easier in an unclean work environment, and that means employees calling in sick and a decline in productivity. Doing all you can to keep your employees healthy includes cleaning to limit their exposure to harmful germs. This is important to consider year-round, not just during a pandemic. Your employees can just as easily get COVID-19 as they can get the cold and flu, which is also going to keep them at home. So really making sure that you have a clean environment is super important to keeping your employees at their desks and not in bed. The next benefit of a clean workplace is an increase in productivity and overall well-being. Think about it, when you're surrounded by clutter, it's hard to focus and this can cause stress. A clean, uncluttered work environment is a place where your employees can be happy and work effectively and efficiently. So the final benefit of a clean workplace is probably the most obvious, and that's that it leaves a good impression. Your employees appreciate a clean workplace, but so do your customers. And not only do they appreciate it, they expect it. They're going to notice if the floors are dirty, they're going to notice if the bathroom is unclean, and they're going to create negative impressions of your business if you don't meet their standards. By creating a clean workplace, your customers are going to be happy and they're going to enjoy coming back. So those are the 3 main benefits of a clean workplace. Thank you for watching. Before you leave, make sure you like this video and subscribe. We'll see you next time.